Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be discussing 10 healthy facts about blueberries. Blueberries are tiny nutritional powerhouses often praised as a superfood. Low in calories, yet rich in essential nutrients. They're packed with vitamins C and K1, manganese, and a variety of beneficial plant compounds. Regular consumption may support heart health, cognitive function, and blood sugar regulation. They've also been linked to reduced blood pressure, better memory, and faster recovery after exercise. Whether enjoyed fresh or added to smoothies, salads, or baked goods, blueberries are a delicious way to boost your health. Let's get started. Number 1. Blueberries are a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are a great source of vitamin C, which helps to boost the immune system and protect against cellular damage. They also contain vitamin A, which is important for vision health, as well as potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure. Number 2. They are high in antioxidants. Blueberries are one of the food's highest in antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from free radical damage. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause damage to your cells and lead to inflammation and disease. The antioxidants in blueberries help to neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Number 3. They may help improve brain health. The antioxidants and other compounds in blueberries may help improve brain health and protect against cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that blueberry consumption is associated with improved memory and cognitive performance. Number 4. They may help lower blood sugar levels. Blueberries are a low glycemic index food, meaning they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. They are also rich in fiber, which helps to regulate blood sugar. Studies have shown that consuming blueberries may help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Number 5. They may support weight loss. Blueberries are a low-calorie, high-fiber food, which makes them an excellent choice for those looking to lose weight. The fiber in blueberries helps you feel full and satisfied, which can help reduce overall calorie intake. Number 6. They are anti-inflammatory. Blueberries are a potent anti-inflammatory food, meaning they can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is a natural process that occurs when your body is injured or fighting an infection. However, chronic inflammation can lead to a variety of health problems. The anti-inflammatory properties of blueberries can help soothe your body and promote healing. Number 7. They may help improve heart health. Blueberries are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, all of which are beneficial for heart health. The fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels, while the antioxidants help to protect against heart disease. Number 8. They are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Blueberries can be enjoyed fresh, frozen, or dried. They can be added to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or used as a topping for pancakes or waffles. You can also use them to make delicious and healthy snacks. Number 9. Blueberries are a low-calorie food, which makes them an excellent choice for those watching their weight. They are also high in fiber, which helps you feel full and satisfied. Number 10. Blueberries are a good source of dietary fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to regulate bowel movements and prevent constipation and diarrhea. It also helps to maintain a healthy gut microbiome. And there you have it, 10 healthy facts about blueberries. Do you know any others? Feel free to share them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a wonderful day.